Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 Sets of Twins. I just wanted to say that I really enjoyed doing all these crafts for you guys, and we're going to take a couple weeks off, but in the meantime we'll be making some other crafts for the first of the year. I also want to wish you and all your family and all your friends a Merry Christmas and a safe one, and just have fun and make those memories and be kind and just love each other. This is a Christmas garland that my son made, and it's pretty easy for kids. You just get a piece of rope. I had some gold rope, and you cut material about 8 inches long. You can use different kinds of material, different patterns. There's the 8-inch. This is like a little toll type material, and you just tie it on. I have them tie it in a knot so they don't come apart, so you tie it once, then tie it again to put a knot in there. And it's fun and easy. The kids love doing it. It keeps them busy for a very long time, so you can get all your baking done. The next, I am doing a sign for my outdoor porch. I have 2 Dollar Tree signs. I'm gluing them together. And then I am going to use some popsicle sticks to make them more sturdy. I will glue those on. I picked up the J and the Y from Walmart's, and then I just spray painted them red. I'm going to use some of my greenery from the Dollar Tree to make a wreath to sort of hide that split, so I don't have to fill it in. And I've taken some another garland, just wrapping it around the wreath. And this was the wire one. I've got some ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. Going to make a bow. I'm not a bow maker. I just pretty much just loop it around. I mean, it's pretty easy. And then I'm going to tie it. Tie it real tight, and then I'm going to pull the ribbon out to make a bow. And then I'm just going to glue down all the pieces to my board. And there is my sign. I'm going to stick this out on my porch. And if you actually watch I glued a little metal star at the bottom too. If you watch my holiday house tour, you'll see the sign that's outside on my porch. And there it is again. Love the way it turned out. I love the little garland. So Merry Christmas. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Bye.